Welcome to this video, guys. So in this video I want to demonstrate Qemu running Windows 7, and this Windows 7 will run on Ryzen 9 X3 processor, which I'm showing currently. It's a up-to-date current generation AMD, and we're gonna find out how fast Windows 7 really is running on modern hardware, because we know that installing native modern machine is almost impossible. Yes, there is mods on this and that. Probably some guys can do it, but in general, why we need to spend so much time like emulating and running this insecure nowadays operating system on real hardware, as we can run it in virtual machine, and speed which we will get is almost 98% of the native speed, and this processor is already extremely fast, so we don't need basically to run it native. And another advantage is we can add basically a GPU and pass to this virtual machine, and in this way we can have our workstation Linux running on the one monitor, and our retro gaming, for example, station running on another monitor, and they can flawlessly work at the same time, and basically we can enjoy like browsing web, watching YouTube on Linux, and play retro games on the another screen, and all this is running on one physical computer. So this basically this I want to demonstrate now. So as we currently see, this is I wrote this Qemu configuration, which you can find on my website, and I will leave a link in the description below. And now here what I am doing is basically I'm getting output of my second video card, which is Radeon 7950 gigabyte. It's a 2012 video card, first graphics core next core from AMD. Basically this card has drivers for Windows XP, for Windows 7, Windows 10, and even can work in Windows 11. So basically it's very cheap GPU. You can buy on eBay for like 20 bucks maybe, if you can find good card, and we can enjoy all the retro games from 2005 to 2015. So let's try it. And we're gonna see here, basically here is the output of the second monitor, and I'm going to record it also. So we can see the Windows is running inside our emulating virtual machine, and here is GPU Z and CPU X. We're gonna see basically it's running exactly on my Ryzen 9, and I'm going to show the same thing here, and here is CPU X. It's just I'm using 6 core here on this virtual machine. It can be shown here. So how exactly this configuration is working? Let me play Valley. until I am explaining the configuration. So we can see the UniAgent Valley, it's running, and it's running at almost native speed. We can see the FPS is insane. So let me explain the configuration, guys. We are running Qemu in 64-bit mode. We are using last version of Qemu, Q35 10.1. That's the chipset. The CPU, I'm adding this special hypervisor parameters. So our basically Windows to run smoothly and to show some basically to emulate that is running inside Hyper-V. So Windows kernel know that basically it thinks that it's running into virtualized environment, and because we are using Radeon drivers, we don't have problem to do this, and even we run faster and more optimized compared to real hardware, because the Windows kernel he already know how to run inside virtual machine. And also the next parameter, we have SMP, which basically we are using 6 cores and 6 threads and 1 socket, 16 gigs of RAM, and here I am using the chipset, which is in ARCH mode. We are booting from first drive. Basically, this is our virtual Windows 7 image file. I am using basically PCI virtual device, so the Windows 7 can run almost the native speed of your SSD. So VirtIO is basically reading and writing without emulating the SATA, which makes the like loading games extremely fast. Even probably you can get this speed on real hardware. It will work even faster thanks to Linux kernel that provide this direct VirtIO interface. And here with the CD-ROM we are using the AHCI mode. And again I'm using second drive, which I'm holding some games. Next we are emulating the Intel network card, which is not basically getting internet directly from our physical internet, is doing not. And after that, here I'm passing the NIC USB controller, which is fastest USB 3 device we can use on Qemu, and I'm connecting my controller and my keyboard and mouse here. Basically, one device represents the receiver of the keyboard and mouse, and another one is USB receiver of the my Xbox 360 compatible controller. And here I'm passing this graphics card basically to the virtual machine. So if I open the terminal here and I am running, I run the command iOS PCI minus N key. It's gonna give me all the devices I have, and as we can see here, I'm using this Radeon graphics card, which is directly connected to virtual machine. So the device here is 100 And as we can see in the configuration, I am using this device, and this is HDMI audio. So in this way, and also you need to have extracted video card BIOS. Sometimes original BIOS will not work, so maybe it's a good idea to find your from Tech Power Up. You can search for your card or similar model with same memory, and you can download the ROM file, or maybe you're going to extract it from Windows. It's up to you. But basically, this is this line representing passing your secondary GPU directly to the virtual machine. And basically, we are executing this script in Qemu, and the result is here. Basically, the system is working, and Windows 7 is like using this card with 1080p resolution, and the frame rate is insane. So I decided, I worked sometimes, spent sometimes finding the best commands here in Qemu, some testing, and all this is being on my website. You can go there, read, and I'm going to try also Crisis. So yeah, you get the idea. Thank you for watching, guys, and enjoy the Crisis demo. And like and subscribe to this channel, because here you're gonna find almost exclusive content. No other YouTuber is doing this, and I am providing very interesting videos that I don't see anywhere on YouTube. Thank you.
Enemy! Open fire! Nomad, find cover! Your suit's taking damage! Move out now!
Поднято.
Listen up. We've tracked the distress signal to a valley 3 clicks due east. Psycho and I are inbound. Get to the rendezvous and be advised. Enemy forces